Welcome back to Preyo Promo. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your Facebook name step by step. This method is simple and works directly from the Meta Account Center. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Google Chrome on your device. Step 2. Search for fb.com and log into your account. Step 3. Click on your profile icon. Step 4. Press Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings again. Step 5. Open Meta Account Center. Step 6. Click on Profile and select your Facebook account. Step 7. Tap on Name. Step 8. Enter your first name and last name, then tap Done to save changes. Your Facebook name will now be updated successfully. Thanks for watching this tutorial on Preyo Promo. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple and professional tech guides. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.